Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence could change the way you make money online? A question to ponder indeed. As we step further into the future, the possibilities of AI continue to unfold, painting a vibrant picture of potential profits and opportunities. This isn't just about robots taking over jobs, no, it's about the synergy of human creativity and AI efficiency, creating an unprecedented era of productivity. Artificial intelligence is already making waves in various sectors, subtly but surely revolutionizing the way we work online. We see its impact in the realms of content creation, where AI tools are assisting writers in creating engaging narratives. We notice it in product development, where AI code assistants are helping to streamline processes and increase output. These are just glimpses into the vast potential that AI holds. The true essence of this revolution, however, lies not just in the technology itself, but in how we, as individuals and professionals, leverage it to enhance our capacities, improve our efficiencies, and ultimately, increase our earnings. The future of making money online lies in how well we leverage AI. Let's delve into how. Imagine being a writer but having an AI assistant doing half of the work for you. How efficient would that be? Now let's dive into a real-life case study that beautifully illustrates this scenario. In the dynamic world of freelance writing and copywriting, AI is making a significant impact. The rise of AI content writers and copywriters has opened up new avenues for creators, enabling them to produce content more effectively and efficiently. Here's a glimpse into how it works. Picture a freelance writer. Let's call her Sarah. Sarah has a blog, writes articles for multiple platforms, and occasionally takes up copywriting projects. Her workload is intense, and meeting deadlines is a constant struggle. Enter AI writing tools. Sarah begins using one of these, and suddenly, her workload becomes manageable. The AI tool helps her with topic suggestions, provides outlines for her articles, even generates initial drafts. It's like having a co-writer, but one that works at lightning speed. And it's not just about speed, the quality of work improves too. The AI tool Sarah uses is equipped with sophisticated algorithms that understand language nuances, tone, and context. It helps her avoid cliches, repetitive phrases, and grammatical errors, enhancing the overall quality of her writing. Moreover, AI tools can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, providing insights that humans might miss. For instance, in copywriting, these tools can assess what type of content performs best with a particular audience, helping creators fine-tune their work for better engagement. But let's clarify one thing. These AI tools are not designed to replace human creatives, but rather to augment their skills. They take care of the heavy lifting, leaving writers with more time for strategic thinking, creativity, and polishing their craft. So, in our case study, Sarah is still the creative force behind her work. The AI tool is merely an assistant, a powerful one indeed, that allows her to produce more and better in less time. As we can see, AI is not replacing writers, but rather enhancing their capabilities. It's a brave new world for freelancers, and those who embrace AI tools are set to reap the benefits. Software development is no longer a game for the tech gurus alone, thanks to AI. A fascinating case study that exemplifies this is the rise of AI in developing software as a service or SaaS products. Imagine this. You're a freelancer with a great idea for a software product. In the past, you might have been deterred by the complex coding process, especially if you're not a seasoned programmer. But today, AI code assistants are changing the game. These smart tools, powered by artificial intelligence, can simplify the coding process, helping you turn your idea into a reality. AI code assistants are similar to having a seasoned developer by your side, guiding you through every step of the coding journey. They offer suggestions, correct errors, and even generate code snippets based on your instructions. They are like a personal tutor who can help you learn and understand coding languages, even if you're a complete beginner. But the benefits of AI in SaaS development don't stop at simplifying the coding process. These AI tools also pave the way for freelancers to productize their skills. By using AI code assistants, you can create and sell your own SaaS products, turning your skills into a profitable venture. Consider this. Instead of working on one-off projects with varying requirements, you can create a software product that serves a specific need. You can sell this product to multiple customers, generating a steady stream of income. This is the beauty of productizing your skills. It allows you to scale your freelance business in a way that traditional service delivery might not permit. So, whether you're a seasoned developer looking to streamline your process, or a freelancer venturing into the world of software development, AI code assistants can be a game changer. They not only simplify the coding process but also open up new avenues for monetization. In conclusion, AI is not just a tool for the tech-savvy, it is a powerful ally for anyone with a great idea. AI is democratizing software development, opening doors for anyone with an idea. The future of freelancing is shifting towards specialization, and AI is leading the way. As we move further into the 21st century, the landscape of work is changing dramatically. The rise of AI technology is not only altering the way businesses function, but also transforming the nature of freelancing. Specialization within the realm of AI is increasingly becoming a lucrative avenue for freelancers. We're seeing a shift from generalist roles, with freelancers now honing their skills in specific AI-related tasks. This trend is born out of the growing demand for AI solutions across industries, from healthcare to entertainment, finance to education. Imagine this. You're a coder who specializes in AI. Your expertise lies in creating AI code assistants that help businesses automate their processes. Or perhaps you're a freelance writer who specializes in creating content with the help of AI tools. Your command of AI-driven content creation sets you apart in the market, giving you a competitive edge. Now let's talk about profits. Specialization in AI-related tasks can significantly increase your earning potential. The reason? It's quite simple. You're offering a unique skill set that's in high demand. Businesses are willing to pay a premium for specialized AI services as they recognize the value these solutions bring to their operations. Furthermore, AI specialization opens up opportunities for you to productize your skills. For instance, you could develop a unique AI tool that businesses can use to streamline their operations. The product you create could become a source of passive income, further boosting your profitability. To sum it up, the future of freelancing lies in AI specialization. As the demand for AI solutions continues to grow, freelancers who specialize in AI-related tasks stand to benefit immensely. It's a brave new world out there, and those who adapt and specialize will lead the way. AI is not just a tool, it's an opportunity to specialize and increase your profits. Embracing AI is no longer an option, it's a necessity for online success. As we've journeyed through the world of AI, its potential and its impact on online ventures, one thing is clear. AI is revolutionizing the way we work and the way we earn. Let's recap what we've covered. We've seen how AI is transforming freelance writing and copywriting, helping to churn out high-quality content at an unprecedented speed and scale. We've delved into how AI is aiding in the development of SaaS products, enabling faster and more efficient coding, and giving rise to products that are smarter and more intuitive. But beyond these specific applications, AI is influencing every corner of the online world. From digital marketing to e-commerce, from content creation to customer service, AI tools are enhancing productivity, boosting efficiency, and opening up new avenues for income. And the future? It's even more exciting. As AI continues to evolve, we will see more specialization and greater profits. The freelance coders of today could become the AI product developers of tomorrow, turning their expertise into groundbreaking products and services. The possibilities are endless, and the potential rewards are enormous. So, what's the next step? The answer is simple. Start exploring, start experimenting. There's a wealth of AI tools out there ready to be harnessed for your online ventures. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, it's never been easier to leverage the power of AI and start reaping the benefits. Remember, AI isn't just about technology, it's about transforming the way we work, the way we think, and the way we earn. It's about empowering individuals, businesses, and communities to reach new heights of success. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. It's time to embrace it and unlock your online earning potential. Before we wrap up this video, let's talk about your next steps. Don't just watch this video and move on. Take action. Start by researching AI tools that could be relevant to your field. There are resources available online that can guide you in the right direction. Experiment with these tools. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Remember, learning is a process, and don't forget to connect with others. Join online forums and communities. Share your experiences, learn from others, and grow together. Now it's your turn. Step into the future. Plug into the power of AI. And remember, we're here to support you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of AI and online earning. Leave a comment below saying I subscribed, and we'll do our best to respond to each one. Together, let's embrace the future and unlock our full online earning potential. Remember, the world of AI is yours to explore, so go ahead, dive in.